Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to fix a problem mic not working on some apps like Zoom, Discord or any messenger apps, or like mic is not working at all on your Windows 10. To fix this problem, we have various methods. Stick to the end if the one of the method does not work. So let's jump right into it. We need to go in Device Manager. Once the device manager is open, we need to click on audio and click on microphone and right click here and go update drivers. When you click here update drivers, you will get this screen. There's two options: update manually or update browsing your computer. So update manually is a great option if your computer is connected to the internet. So just do update drivers, so it will search the driver online and update it for you. It will take some time as it's looking for the drivers. So if the driver is not updated and your problem is not solved, just go and hit update driver again, and now this time browse from your computer and go in this option, let me pick available drivers from my computer. It will browse and it will show you all the available drivers. Just select this update your driver, click next, and it will install the available driver onto your system. So this way your problem will be solved. If the problem is not solved, like your driver is working but it's not working for some of the apps, for that means the app does not have the permission to use your microphone. So we will fix that problem in this step. So for that you just need to go in start and go in our settings. Open the settings and then we will look for privacy. Just click on privacy. In privacy, go and look for microphone, and microphone, click changes here and see if the microphone is on. So if it's on, then it's good, otherwise like you need to switch on it manually. And you see all these options are on. Your application are allowed to use microphone, and manually you can see which all applications are allowed to use microphone. So like in my case, Skype is not allowed to use microphone, so it will not detect any microphone. So you need to switch on this application manually. Switch on this application to allow other apps like Zoom, Discord to use your microphone. So if they are in this list and the microphone is off for them, update this and close it. And now go and try your apps. The mic should work for your all application which you have give the access to. If this does not work, there might be a conflict of microphone on your system. It might detect two microphones. You are not able to use the right one. To fix that issue, you need to go in search and type control panel and open the control panel. And in here you need to go in sounds. Need to go and select sound. Go in sound. And in here, like if you see 2-3 options, in my case like there's only one option. So just if you have 2-3 options and find your microphone, select it and set it as default. When you set it as default, your system will know which microphone to use. And you can check this by like go in recordings, and when like I'm talking, like my microphone is working. And you can also maximize the volume of your microphone by double clicking here and go in level and put it to like 99%, 100%, whatever you want. Sometimes it goes to like you can see if it goes to 0 you cannot hear anything, like put it to 100. This way you level up your volume. Sometimes you update your window and your microphone stop working all of a sudden. Look for new update. Just go in search and look for update. When you look for update, like click here, check for updates, and you will find some updates of Windows. Like here, like there's so many updates for Windows, like it will update your window. Once the window is updated, just restart your window and that will help fixing the problem that your microphone is not working due to the update of Windows. So this way you can fix the problem microphone is not working on your system. Hope this video solves your problem. If it does, do like and subscribe my channel. It does helps me a lot. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.